the first name that was given to Jesus, even in his childhood state, is who is he that is born what? Priest. Christ is a king. You need to go and study who is a king. So when I preach here, I preach from a king's perspective, and some people are rubbed the wrong way. What did I do? We can no longer trust pastors. Any invitation I have from today, I cancel it. We can no longer trust pastors. That you can set up a conference to trap me for an arrest. What did I do? I preach Jesus. Jesus Christ is Lord. Take us wherever you want to take us. If you can, do it. If you can. You can no longer trust pastors. I cancel all invites, and I'm saying it from the altar. And let no son come and tell me anything. You don't know what I fight alone. We will preach the kingdom. And anyone that thinks otherwise, this is not a branch. One of the reasons I reject branches is because of that. I am willing to listen. Those that know me know that I listen. Jehovah be my witness. But I am not willing to bend. Keep your honors. I don't speak without thinking. Now people can give me honors only to realize that it's one of the ways that they work with other people to silence me. This is government. If you have a problem with how John CW is administrating, I never told you to follow me. If at all I am not making sense, how comes you are listening? How did you know what I said? Number two, if we are nothing, why are you shocked? Why are you so shocked? Why do you need to follow what CW is saying? If it means nothing, then let me be in the village. We are coming. That's all I will tell you. The ones that have eyes, they see. There is nothing that will stop us. I vow this before Jesus Christ. There is nothing that will stop me. So help me God. Not by might, not by power, but by his spirit. I pray to God, keep your servant.